India's an amazing place. 20% of the people on the planet live there, and it's the world's biggest democracy. It's energetic, it's chaotic, there's a lot of neat new things happening there. They have a lot of talented people. I try to take advantage of all the time on these trips to meet with as many of these great people as I can. And it's really a chance to learn. I learned as much on this trip as any trip. Well, Uttar Pradesh is a gigantic state. It's 200 million people, so it would be the 5th biggest country in the world if it was a country all by itself. It's the poorest part of India. There's a lot of health problems there. Well, the Ujjain slum is tough to visit because the makeshift homes and the lack of services show you that it's a very tough life. And yet, sitting down with the people there, they want their kids to get educated. They're thinking about how many kids they want to have. They do have a sense that things are going to get better, and so it's uplifting in a way, even though at first it's pretty shocking to be reminded of how tough their conditions are.